Good morning, you guys. Aiden and Greg here with another absolute finest listing in Shiloh Mesa, highly sought after community. There is so much to share about this neighborhood. Greg, tell us a little bit more.
The property we're at today is 8040 Barraport Drive, and this home has a ton of features outside the home as well as inside the home, and this neighborhood is absolutely underrated. I'm gonna go hit the inside lights, make sure the inside shows beautifully. Aiden, why don't you tell them about Shiloh Mesa and all the features on the outside of this house?
Buckle in, you guys. Welcome to the quiet, family-oriented neighborhood of Shiloh Mesa. Tucked away on the northeast side of Colorado Springs, this is one of the most sought-after new communities in the area, with only a handful of homes selling every year. This Aspen View community is zoned for the D49 school district with the option of choice into neighboring schools and features fully stuccoed exteriors, helping with low exterior maintenance and energy efficiency. On the topic of efficiency, did you notice the solar panels on the house? These panels help keep the average utility bill under $20 a month and will be paid off at closing. A huge benefit for anyone lucky to call Barraport home. We've seen a lot of new construction neighborhoods part ways with privacy fencing. Fortunately for you, you do not have to say goodbye. This entire neighborhood is still lined with your 6-foot privacy fencing. Truly, a standout feature about this neighborhood has got to be the HOA and taxes. Competing neighborhoods in D49 have seen their taxes jump above $4,000 a year. In 2024, taxes were still under $2,000 for this home. If that wasn't enough, HOA fees cost a minimal $75 a quarter. With the HOA covering trash, this becomes an automatic wash. Now, what about amenities? The city of Colorado Springs has focused a lot of time and energy into growing Woodman out, especially over the past couple years. We've seen numerous restaurants, grocery stores, amenities, etc., brought up to help with accessibility and grow your property value. Aspen Meadows Park is just down the street, offering an estimated 13 acres of parks and trails, a 4-acre dog park, and plenty of parking to get out and enjoy with the family.
When you enter this beautiful home, you're greeted immediately by gorgeous hardwood floors. And if you look to the left, you've got a beautiful main level study with double French doors, built-in cabinetry for additional storage, along with waterproof and durable LVP flooring. Welcome to the heart of the home, as you've got a beautiful, big, open floor plan that blends a gourmet kitchen with double ovens, stainless steel GE appliances, a center island with counter bar seating, a huge kitchen pantry, granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets, and beautiful subway tile backsplash. The kitchen also features this awesome coffee bar. This floor plan seamlessly blends functionality and comfort that walks out to that oversized patio, as well as a spacious great room with beautiful hardwood floors and a big ceiling fan. As we go upstairs, you're greeted immediately by a big functional loft area. This area is fantastic for a second TV area, kids' playroom, or even big office. And you've got those durable LVP floors throughout this level as well. You've got 4 spacious bedrooms on this level, including a generous master suite. This master suite is large, again, features no carpet. This master bedroom is spacious, features a huge walk-in closet, as well as an attached 5-piece bath with double vanity sinks, garden soaking tub, and standalone shower. The other 3 bedrooms on this level are spacious. The entire home features those beautiful 2-panel doors, nickel hardware, double pane vinyl windows, and the upper level also features a large laundry space. Very convenient. We're not done yet. The basement is fully finished as well. Follow those durable laminate wood floors downstairs, and you'll find an oversized play area that would function beautifully as a rec room or theater space. Another really cool feature about this home is that the basement has been finished with 2 additional bedrooms, giving you 6 total. The basement bedrooms are spacious as well, feature great closet space. There's also a beautiful full bathroom down here and tons of additional storage. This home also features a UV air filtration system, which is a rare find, as well as a whole house humidifier and a Vivint security system with front and back cameras. All of the equipment will stay with the home.
Thank you so much for sticking along on this showing with us. If you would like a private tour of the property, reach out to me directly, 719-358-3021. Also visit Make Springs Home for more information about the property.
And don't forget, we are offering a 2.5% broker compensation to any realtor who brings us a buyer. So as always, bring us a buyer.
Thank you. We'll see you at the next one.